Hello and welcome to Behind the Bar with me, Cara Devine. Today I am going to be doing a little shaker and spoon cocktail. They very kindly helped us along with this video here and sent me a couple of boxes. So first of all, let's see what's inside. So you get all these little recipe cards. Basically the idea is that for each box you just have to buy one bottle of booze and then they supply everything else that you need. So sort of any of your tinctures, bitters, syrups, cordials and all that, they take that off your hands. And then you can make some pretty delicious, quite a varied amount of cocktails out of it, which is pretty cool. So this one's going to be some vodka. I haven't done too much vodka on the channel, so I figured it was time to mix things up a little bit. And having looked through them all, they do all sound delicious. A few with like some tea and things like that, which always goes nicely with vodka. Provides a little bit of, kind of structure there. But I'm gonna go for something nice and bright and fresh because I'm definitely not jealous that you guys are heading into summer over there. And we're gonna do the Citrus Paradisi. So this one is sort of a little citrus and green tea, grapefruit syrup, lime juice, and sort of highball, nice and fresh idea. So got my instructions ready. Let's see what's in the box. We've got our few little teas, little pepper cake syrup, tonic water. It's like Christmas, but for home bartenders. Ooh, lychee orgeat. Orgeat's really tricky to make actually, so I'm definitely always pretty happy to let someone else do it. And the citrus green tea syrup, which is what I'll be using. Oh, lemonade. And a little sachet of rose petal sugar. All right, I think that's everything, or at least we'll find out when we're trying to make it if I can't find something. Almost missed my favorite little part, which is your little bottle, tiny little bottles of some bitters and things like that. And they've got some rose water in there, which I'll need for this one too. So I'll sneak this out, and then time to get started. So we'll just go in with 2 ounces of vodka, and then 3/4 ounce of this little citrus green tea and grapefruit syrup. Green tea is always a really good one to use alongside vodka. It just kind of lifts it really nicely. And then I need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, so I'm just going to squeeze that into my little glass here. And then last but not least, our little rose water. Rose water is quite pungent, same with orange blossom water, so you do just want to be careful about how much you put in there. And they do say sort of 2 dashes, so it's not heaps. So a dash is sort of like the full little pipette rather than just individual drops, I suppose. And then I'm just gonna pop some ice in my shaker and give that all a nice shake up. Now, this one is called Citrus Paradisi, so I felt like a little tropical island glass would be fitting. And that's just filled with some fresh ice, and we'll just pour this in on top. And then last but not least, our little bit of Fever Tree aromatic tonic. And I actually forgot my bar spoon today, so we're just gonna go a little bit rogue here and use my knife to give that a little stir. This is like proper at-home bartending here. Use whatever tools you have to hand, and that should be it ready to go. Yeah, yum, that's delicious. It's really bright and fresh and kind of bubbly and just exactly what you want to be drinking on a summer's day, which obviously you guys are getting, us not so much just now, but yeah, perfect for a sunny afternoon. So if this is the kind of thing that you would have fun using at home, then please either click the link below and use code BTB with Cara at checkout, or you can go straight to the Shaker and Spoon website and it's /BTB with Cara, and they're being very generous to give you a little $20 off your first box. Cheers. So now you know.